How to bring your online audience offline. You can bring your online audience offline using the following methods: printing online content. You can print your Instagram photos and Twitter posts, etc. If it's a circumflex essay blog post, you can simply convert it into beautiful print media in the form of newspapers, magazines, and others. Digital opt-ins. It provides an effective way for direct mailing. An opt-in is a process where the client voluntarily gives consent so that their email can be added to the marketer circumflex mailing list. Live events. You can use a social platform to organize for a live event in a physical address. How to bring offline audience online. This is another important thing that most marketers don a circumflex usually concentrate on. You can bring them by introducing call to action. CTA helps to significantly improve engagements. Research studies show that more than 50% of people visit web pages after seeing an ad in print media. Add URLs on printed media. Add a URL in a digital print that leads to a specific landing page. This way, the reader will get aware of your digital presence. Make sure that you shorten the
social media. Add hashtags on your printed content. Besides that, you can add the details of your social media accounts. The effectiveness of digital marketing for businesses. Is digital marketing effective for all businesses? Well, it doesn't a circumflex matter what you specialize in, because it a circumflex effective. This type of marketing mainly involves identifying the needs of your target audience. After that, you try to build and maintain relationships with them. This may involve the use of offline and online strategies. However, not all businesses should in any way implement the same business marketing strategy.
B2B digital marketing. Business to business or B2B models should implement strategies that are based on lead generation. The main goal should be to attract a new target audience and garner high conversion rates. Therefore, digital marketing you choose should mainly focus on your website. Aspects such as keywords, website navigation, and search engine ranking are therefore important. Besides that, your focus should be on channels such as LinkedIn. This is one of the best places to get the best B2B demographic. B2C digital marketing. Business to consumer or B2C is a model that links marketers to consumers. The goal of most B2C is to attract new potential clients. After that, your aim is to convert them to clients without involving a salesperson. In this case, you wouldn't concentrate so much on generating leads. However, you will be keen on building and sustaining your client base. You will also want to quickly accelerate the time between a potential client lands on your website to the time they make purchases. Unlike in the B2B business model, your product needs to feature higher in the funnel. Moreover, it is important to have compelling CTAs. Note, there are several types of B2B models. So, you still need to make considerations. For instance, a platform such as LinkedIn that is business oriented is not as valuable as Pinterest or Instagram. Bottom line, the business sector is rapidly changing. The use of the internet has resulted in a significant shift in the way products and services are handled. Note that the use of certain offline strategies has been declining. This includes TV and radio marketing. However, this doesn't mean that offline marketing isn't important. There is still a group of people that are not heavy internet users. So, you can capitalize on this to attract a bigger target audience. Generally, both offline and online strategies are mutually exclusive, so you can integrate them to yield better results. Diversity is important in enhancing lead generation. From billboards to banners to content creation, it's possible to create a unique digital strategy that complements your business needs. Overall, using online and offline strategies will result in higher returns. This is because more people will be aware of your business, and this will definitely result in higher and streamlined